Socializing 83. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on how a person is affected by a friend. There are countless examples in the world of how a person inspired their friend to take the wrong path in life, which caused them serious trouble, such as prison. One should not only be cautious of people who possess bad characteristics, as they will influence their friends in a negative way. This has been warned in a narration found in Sunnah Abu Dawood, number 4833. But a Muslim should also be cautious over the people who seem to possess genuine love for them, especially those who do not possess Islamic knowledge. This is because the one who does not possess Islamic knowledge will sometimes advise their loved ones incorrectly, believing they have fulfilled and shown their love to their companion. For example, a wife may advise her tired husband to offer his obligatory prayer at home instead of at the mosque with congregation. Even though according to some scholars it is permissible to offer one's obligatory prayer at home, yet this advice will only take one away from one of the greatest traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This in turn will only take them further away from Allah, the Exalted. This wife may believe she has behaved in a loving way, even though she has not. This is why gaining Islamic knowledge is extremely important and a duty on all Muslims, according to a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 224. This is because some things may seem difficult outwardly, yet many blessings are contained within them. And many things may seem easy and even lawful, yet they only take one away from Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, a Muslim should be cautious and remain firm on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and not get fooled by the advice a loved one gives them. They should not assume the advice will benefit them, just because it comes from a beloved companion. They must instead compare this advice to the teachings of Islam, and only act on it if Islam approves of it. If it does not approve of it, they must avoid acting on it and kindly advise their companion the right course of action, according to the teachings of Islam. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.